Hi, and welcome once again to An Amateur on Nature. I'm your host, John Bradley, an English teacher, and I'm here in the Big Sur region of California looking for the ever-elusive polar bear who's set to reside in these areas. And, well, it looks like they came to the end of this trail. So, this is a trail I was told we might find bears, polar bears, but obviously this trail comes to an end. So I'm going to go back. The 20 miles I came should take a couple hours, and I'm going to head over this other mountain range. I got some rocks in my shoe. This was the rock. I had this in my shoe. You'll notice the beaded liquid streaming down my face. That is not sweat, actually. I have covered my face with seal semen in order to lure out the polar bear. I think what we'll do right now is take a little break in this palm frond area. I can almost hear the polka music. Well, I'm sufficiently rested. Can't get a fire going, so I'll just go. Things don't look the same. Like this. This is a tarantula! They're webs. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Bless you. Bless you. The trees. This is the best day of my life! I'm a loser! But I am innocent! I am innocent! It was not me! It was my mother, Francesca! He was the one who killed the little girl! I should not have anything to do with it! No! Don't touch up my hair off. I just had my hair done. Oh, it's not right to chop a man's hair off. Let him enjoy his hair for a few days. Hey, come on, just a few days with my new hair. Please, it's not right. Nam Yoho Renge Kyo, Nam Yoho Renge Kyo, Nam Yoho bring your coat, Nam Yoho bring your coat, Dominic bring your coat, Dominic bring your coat. That doesn't work. When I was in high school, I had this friend, more than a friend. I loved her. Sat next to her in geometry, or behind her, or maybe in front of her. Somewhere in her vicinity, I was found. And she loved me. And then she went to Nam. I'll never forget that. And that's why I'm not married. She went to Nam, and she didn't come back yet. But I'm gonna wait for her, because she's my one true love. She was the front lines. She was a gunner. Like the last letter said, stay with blood. Last letter said something to the effect that I owed her $50. But it wasn't true. I don't owe her any money. It's bullshit. If you think it's true, so you're fucking lying. I gotta get out of it. Get out of here. I'm not sure, but I think by the mountains and stuff, I'm in Switzerland. Sprechen Sie Deutsch, anyone? Well, time to drive home. We are home. We're here. We're at my cabin in the woods. Here we are. Here we are.
1 tab of acid, 7-hour trip, 2 tabs, 14-hour trip. I'm cold. I'm cold. Well, that's the end of our show. Join me next time when I look for myself.